you doing there, you?
Oh yeah, going out with.
Yeah, come on.
So this is a long time in the making, isn't it? The S15, finally.
Mate, I've never seen you look so enthusiastic about
Do you know what?
anything.
Forget that, let's go. This feels weird, back in the car, holding this camera in the same place when we was in Spain last week.
In Marbs, this is a bit different. Different than Marbs, isn't it?
The sun's out, that's the only thing. Why is people running in the middle of the road?
Mate.
There's not enough room for a car here.
There's a pavement over there.
When I had the camera here, we was in Marbella, wasn't we?
Is it where?
Marbella. Doing a road trip. Anyway, we're on sort of a road trip today. We're going to Preston, which is 45 minutes down up the M6. The S15, yeah, it's making a reappearance on Evil GT.
Well, some of it is making a reappearance, mate.
I'm excited about this, but I'm also apprehensive of the fact, is there going to be anything left of this shell? Because it's gone in the oven and it's been baked out all the rust, so there's no rust left on it. But does that mean there's any car left?
Well, when we was stripping it down, there wasn't much of the car. Like we started to see quite a lot of things that needed to be chopped out, rusty and knackered. So this is like an extensive dip in the bath acid thing, I think, and then in an oven, and then all. So I don't think you're going to have much of an S15 left, mate, to be honest with you.
Let's go and find out. Preston, here we come.
So what we do need to just clarify is that a proper car is going to pick up.
Yeah, we're going in the RS4. Yeah, whatever.
She just keeps going, mate.
Oh, but do you know what? Yeah, it keeps going. But you're not taking it to Ireland tomorrow, are you?
No, I just fancied something a little bit different.
So you'll have to wait till next week or tomorrow or whenever them videos
Well,
go
I'm
on.
going tomorrow, but this won't be out till next week, no doubt, because Lee's lazy editor.
So while we wait for the guys just to get the stuff ready, perfect opportunity to try out Reedley.
Today's sponsor, thank you very much for sponsoring today's video as well. Yeah, this is I mean, how many times have we been in garages waiting for people, and me usually outside your house, waiting for you to finish doing your hair?
Stuff.
It's a magazine subscription service. I could be there having a little read, fast car magazine, any kind of car magazine. There's loads on there. I'd be well in my element.
There's thousands of magazines on there. To be honest, when the guys got in touch from Reedley, I thought, well, I'll have a look. And every magazine that I searched for was on there.
Yeah.
I thought,
really
no,
good.
they won't have all the stuff that you like. I mean, I've not read a magazine for years, but I actually thought, I'm going to try this service out.
Yeah.
Because it did seem really good. And do you know what? There's a few things that are brilliant on it. Offline reading. I've been away a couple of times this month, so I've been sat on a plane for 2 or 3 hours. What do you do on a plane?
Because there's loads of places where you don't get signal, a plane being one of them. Train signals are intermittent.
The UK, you don't get a signal. So you have to download it when you're on the internet.
Yeah, and the fact that you have that feature where you can download it and read it offline is perfect. You read it in your own leisure then.
The thing is, you can have multiple accounts. I share one with my wife because I don't want her stuff on mine. Because I don't want to read them.
Stop it.
Like
you
all
read
the women's
Closer and OK magazine.
I don't
you
need
love
to know.
all the celebrity gossip.
Right.
Don't give me that.
I get enough celebrity stuff with us. Dealing with this diva, you know what I mean?
So in addition to that, there's loads of back editions, loads of previous editions from these magazines that you can go back and read through.
Well,
so it's not just the current ones, is what I'm saying.
And let's be honest, you'd have to have a lot of spare time to get through all. You're never going to do it. So this is a great offer for you guys. Check the link down below. You can do 6 weeks for free on the service.
If you don't like it, cancel it. If you do, I mean, what have you got to lose, eh?
Cancel at any time.
Yeah.
There's no commitment. We've done this for you guys. See, we think of you. Are we just doing the integrations and making all this money? We don't make much, by the way.
The S15, which is currently in Thoven, that was featured on one of the car magazines. I can't remember which one it was.
And we need to go. I don't know. It's in one of them. But we could go through, find the magazine that it was featured in, and bring it back to its former glory. So let's go and see where they're up to with this car. Hopefully, it's still sort of in one piece.
Probably a few pieces, mate.
So we're here at Ribbletech. You found these guys, and it was a big job, wasn't it? Because we couldn't find anyone to do it.
We couldn't find anyone local.
Loads of people.
No.
So this is like 45 minutes down the road, so this ain't really local.
Sean at Ribbletech sorted us right out. He said, mate, we do it properly. There's certain bits of the process that we can't say, but that's because, you know, these guys are good, and they were highly recommended from a few people, so we're here. Yeah, the S15 is in safe hands, apparently.
Well, if there's anything left of it.
Fingers crossed.
So let's go through the process. Now, bearing in mind, we might get this mixed up. We can't say too much because a lot of it's pretty secret, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because they don't want anyone copying their process because it's so good.
So it might end up just being, well, it goes in and comes out and it's done.
Right. Well, let's go with what we've been told up to now, and then he's going to come back. It's gone in an oven.
Yeah.
We can't even tell you how hot it is in the oven. Then,
it's hot, though.
It's real hot. oven hot. Then it comes out, I think it goes in there.
It looks like that when it comes out.
And then it looks like that rusted up thing.
And then it goes in there, so you've not even got this right. It goes in there to be derusted.
Whatever that is, bit of water with a bit of fairy in it probably. We've got a piece here that was prepared earlier. Now this is going to be washed off, is it? And we'll see how good it is after.
Yeah, I'm standing right back, mate.
Have you got the counter on that? Yeah.
Yeah, dead good that, mate.
So this is the no bucket method.
You don't need buckets in this game, by the looks of it.
I didn't think it was going to come out that good.
I'm assuming that's not off RS15, is it? No. Why does he laugh like that? So that's the derusting tank. What's this one do?
That's a phosphoric tank.
That does something else.
The phosphoric.
Like
It's phosphoric, yeah.
Finishing tank, yeah.
Yeah, that's the finishing
The only
tank.
reason we're staying here because certain people have the identity have to be like,
Yeah.
you know, because they don't want to get as famous as us.
Oh,
You know,
well,
I can only film. We don't even know his name, do we?
I know his name. It's Rob, for anyone who knows.
So Rob don't want to be on camera.
What I'm more nervous about, you should be more nervous. I'm getting you actually, pass me that.
Okay.
You should be far more nervous than me.
So Rob said, "Do you want to see the S15 shell? What's left of it?" And he did say what's left of it, to be honest.
Tonight, Matthew, I'm going to be half an S15.
I don't think I want to see this. There it is.
Oh, so it still does look like a
Wow.
S15. So is this mainly, the main idea of this is it to dry it out?
Yeah.
So there's no more moisture in it at
Yes,
all to
this
rust
will,
it?
the heat that we get it to, temperature we get it to, will actually bake off any and all chemical.
Right.
So you've got no risk then of any chemical residing in it.
I don't think that's supposed to be there. I mean, I'm no expert. There's more of it than I expected.
Well, the problem is, and everyone who's watched the progress on this car, is them front arches,
Yeah.
inner arches.
Or what was
What was
not no,
sort of
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. I can see you, but I'm actually really happy with them front arches.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm really happy with them. Well, what's left? But don't you think them front arches are not actually that bad?
Yeah, but they're still going to all have to be replaced though.
Yeah, well,
You can't patch them
I
up.
mean, not too bad, is it there?
No, but you can't patch that. They're going to have to come out then.
You need a bit of ventilation, don't you? I was more worried about all this in here. So that is it. The car has gone through the process. We forgot what it is. Been in the oven, out, in some water, out of it and stuff. There's loads of holes, rust spots. It's not in the best of conditions, is it really?
There's more holes than I thought. Well, no, actually, there's less holes than I thought it was going to be, but it's still not very good.
Well, I don't know what's worse, the passenger or the driver's footwell. None of it's really there anymore. It has exposed a lot of. Look, do you know, like when a squirrel would like gnaw away at things over a few years.
That's what it looks like,
That's
doesn't
what
it?
it reminds me of.
Yeah, it does. It's like bits, you know, like down here.
Yeah.
It's just like holes of
It's just
something's
like
been chewing away at it.
it's just been chewed. So rust has chewed away at it. It's a bit upsetting, really. But the guys here said it's actually in really good condition, believe it or not.
For a 20-year-old Nissan.
For a 20-year-old car, and we're filming in the middle of the road here.
Yes, we've got to move.
So we've got to move. There's holes all over it now, and but the main thing is we're going to take it to Sean's. We're making progress. That's the main thing. right?
Finally, mate. People don't understand the body shop situation. Trying to find a body shop, trying to find a place like this that was local.
It's hard work.
Oh, mate, it's been the organisation and the delays and messing about and trying to get cars transported and moved. So I appreciate everybody's patience with it. Thank you very much.
Ben sorted it all out.
Thanks,
He's been
mate.
doing all that
No
stuff.
problem.
It's going to First Class Motors. We know Sean, absolutely perfect at doing anything bodywork. He's going to make this, patch it back up,
Oh, he loves big job, sure.
make it like he's
it.
going to make it like a brand new car again.
Hopefully. Yeah.
I don't think we're going to put the Nissan badge back on it
No.
when it's done.
No,
It's just going to be like, I don't know.
poor car.
But
Should be
needs,
alright.
It needs some work. So the trailer guys come in, take it down there, another 45 minutes.
It's overkill for a.
Start it up.
So that is more or less it, end of the video. Car's on its way to Sean's to get all the holes patched up, welded up, and a little bit of progress for you guys, a little bit of progress for us guys. At least we've actually eyeballed the car. Not seen it for months, have we?
We've not seen it for ages now, and there's bits of that S15 over most of the northwest of England, so hopefully we
Yeah.
can start to consolidate everything and get it back together at some point.
So it looks in real shitty condition, and
But
you
it
wouldn't.
is.
And you, well, it is, yeah. It's in real bad condition, but it'll be enjoyable at the end to see the progress. It'll cost a few quid. It'll cost a lot of quids actually. And if you don't know what a quid means, you're obviously from a different country to the UK. It means pound notes basically, and there's going to be a lot of them spent. So see you on the next video when we'll probably be going to Sean's and we'll see a bit of the welding and see how it comes back. Then it goes back to Ribble-Tech and then it goes somewhere else.
Can we weld your gob shut at the same time, do you reckon?
I'm just finishing the video off basically.
Just saying.
Alright, see you in a bit.